Hi class, I will continue my discussion about type lines and the pattern area. So, let's start with type lines. So, as you can see and as you can read, these are considered as the boundaries. Boundaries of fingerprint pattern. These are the two, take note please, sa keyword. Two innermost ridge. Two innermost ridge that are running parallel or nearly parallel with each other or nearly, which diverge, another keyword, at a certain point tending to surround the pattern area. The word tending. So, as you can see, there is ato drawing or there is ato illustration na ay makita nato nga red. Mauna ang gitawag nga, that is the so-called type line. Why? Because, let's go back, these are the two innermost ridge. So, sa kani, duha sila ka innermost. Naao, ridge 1 and ridge 2. Two innermost ridges that are running parallel then tend to diverge or tend to surround the pattern area. Balik. I'll give you another example. So, this is the fingerprint pattern. Okay, please look. Okay. Then we have this one. Okay. So, diba, lang ko, take note from the word two innermost ridge that are running parallel. Innermost, running parallel, and tend to surround the pattern area. Okay. Ridge 1, ridge 2, ridge 3, ridge 4, 5, and 6. Pwede sila ma-considered as type line. But let's go back sa rule. Rule number 1, they are the two innermost that runs parallel and diverge and surround or tend to surround. So, meaning, kay two innermost man kaha, ma'am, ma-eliminate kini. Eliminate, and eliminate. Kailangan mo ka, ma'am, nga two innermost man. So, dapat, ang atong type line is si number 3 and si number 4. Kay pasok man ta sa rule number 1 na two innermost. Then how about the rule number 2? They are running parallel or tend to run parallel and na ay diverging. Nag-diverge silang duha. Nagbuyag sila. So, kini, nag-run parallel si number 3 and si number 4, nag-run parallel. So, correct. Correct ang rule number 1. And second, nag-diverge. So, ni-diverge paingon sa taas and this one nag-diverge paingon sa ubos. So, correct na sad kay na ay point of diverging. Then, they surround or tend to surround the pattern area. So, ang atong type line is the ridge number 3 and ridge number 4. Kay naaman dito, let's go back sa rule nga 2 innermost. So, innermost, that's why naa kaning red. Kay pwede mong gud ni sila class kini kana. Pwede sila matawag as type line. But balik, let's go back to the rule, 2 innermost man. So ma-eliminate guide ni sila. Kay dili man sila ang pinaka-innermost, dili sila ang pinaka-ilayumi. That are running parallel. Pwede kay nag-run parallel sa ni sila, nag-run parallel. But balik ta sa innermost. So, nag-run parallel, nag-atbang, kung makita ninyo ng red, nag-atbang, or nearly parallel with each other, then diverge. So, naay point of diverging class. I will use color yellow. Naay point of diverging dire. Kana na point. Kana na part, mo naay point of diverging. So, nagbuyag sila duha. Then, tend to surround the pattern area. This is what we call the pattern area. That's why kining duha is ang gitawag na to nga pattern area. Another. I'll give you another. So, let's use the whirl pattern. Okay. 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 Pipeline, let's go back with the rule number 1. To innermost. So, matik, ma-eliminate na dapat kini. Kay dapat iatbang man nimo sila class kay kung dili nimo siya iatbang, mas pilion nimo ning 1 and 2, wala siya point of divergence kay dapat nagbuyag sila dayan. Dapat nagbuyag og dalan. Pero kani kay wala man na nagbulag og dalan, same naman sila dalan. So dili pwede pilion si 1 and 2. Dili pwede sila i-partner. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same with 5 and 6, dili pud sila pwede kay same ra sila giagihan. Point of divergence gani dapat na ay nagbulag sila kung asa sila dalan. So 1 and 2 ma-eliminate kay wala akong makamam na dapat innermost. So dapat ang answer diha ma'am is 3 and 4. But naa pay another rule. Naay point of divergence. Kung makita ninyo si 3 and si 4, naa siya'y converging point. Naay meeting of two ridges. Naay ingani. So dili siya ma-qualify as point of divergence kay this is an example of point of converging. Pag naa gani duha nga nagsumpay nga ridge, matik na ma-disqualify for type line. So dili pwede si 3 and 4. So matik ang mahitabo diana kay ang nag-atbang is si 2 and si 5. 2 and 5 nag-run parallel. Do dili sila ang pinaka-innermost but disqualify man si number 3 and si number 4, they are the most qualified. So 2 and 5 nag-run parallel, nag-diverge, na ay point of diverging. Na ay point of diversion. Then tend to surround the pattern area. Diba? Adto na-erase ko na hinuan tanan. Okay. I'll give another na lang. Sa loop. Okay. Pag naamoy makita nga ni class, bisan pag sila ang pinaka ilayo mi, but naa gani point of converging kani gani, dili siya pwede mahimo nga type line. And even though class, pareha kani. Wala daw. Okay. Ana lang siya. So, si ridge number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Eliminate matik si 3 and 4. Again, kay naa siya point of converging, walay point of diverging. Naay meeting point. So, ang possible dira, nga makuan, may eliminate si number 1 and si number 6. Why? Dili siya pwede nga diha ka mag-start sa type line nimo kay nari pa may mas innermost duha. Kay dili man siya necessary class, di ba? Naa dito naka-defined that type lines is tending to surround the pattern area. Surround or tend to surround the pattern area. So, dili necessary nga dapat ang imong type line walay bugto pag surround sa pattern area. So, pwede si number 5 kay nag-run parallel man pud sila, then naay point of divergence niki ay siya gamay. Then, tend to surround. Mo na gilaw nga tend to surround kay dili man niya makaya i-surround kasi siya lang. So, don't worry kay sa type line, pag tracing ana nato sa type line, sa 5 nimo dira, na kay putol man, mo down raman ka. So, mo continue ra ka sa number 6. But your type line, mag-start kang ridge number 2 and ridge number 5. Okay? I hope you understand. Kapasok. Kung unsaon pag-identify ni type line. Why? You need to identify, you need to know unsaon pagtan-aw si type line class. Kay, naamong ko dito nga most nga si delta naa makita sa point of divergence ni type line. So kung mali ang imong pagkuan, kung diri ka nag type line, kung this one ka nag type line, mauni imong gihimo nga delta, wrong na dayon. So tan-awan ninyo. Diba? Naa na dayon tay makita nga delta. Kay naaman didto sa kuan sa type line, sa point of divergence ni type line, naa didto makita si delta. Possible makita si delta. Another, we have sujari mambaya. I forgot. So, kani. Pwede mahimo nga type line, type line, type line, type line, type line, type line. But the most suited of them all is kani. Why? Siya man ang pinaka innermost. Second, they are running parallel, then naay diverge. Nag-diverge sila. Muna, dili ka makapili ani as your type line, kay dili man sila innermost. Same with the whirl pattern. Kani pwede, kani pwede, kani pwede, kani pwede, kana pwede, pwede. But, let's go back to the number 1 rule. So, kung naa gani innermost, choose the innermost. As long as they are running parallel towards each other, then naay point of diverging. So, mao na ang point of diverging. Diha. Sorry, kahiwi akong pen. Mao na point of diverging. Okay? Then, tend to surround the pattern area. Diba? Mao na si type line. Another, we have the pattern area. So, kung makita na nato, dali lang na, kung makita na nato si type line, of course, nari na dayon si pattern area. Kaya iya man dito sa iyang kuan trabaho is tend or surround or tend to surround the pattern area. Kung kinsa nang gisurroundan na ni pattern area, gilibutan ni pattern area, mao na si, kung kinsa nang gilibutan ni type line, mao na si pattern area. Sorry. So, let's read. Part of the fingerprint lies within the area surrounded by the type line. So, kaina, mao ni, di ba? Mao ni ang atong type line. So, ayang gisurroundan, paingon man gud na didto. Bebe, tong i-trace. Paingon man gud na didto. So, pag trace nimo na paingon sa gawas, mo surround na paingon dire. Where the core kuno, delta, and other ridge characteristics used for classification can be found. So, labi. Okay. So, nari nakita si delta bells. Oh. Dari nakita, dari nga part ang core. So, appendage man siya kay naay nag-abat. Okay, di na ako ma-erase. Oh, naay nag-abat, so nari diri ang core. So, the core, nag-abat bang nadiha ang core. Di ba? Basta kay kana kung asa makita ang delta, ang core, and other ridge characteristics, that is the pattern area. Okay? Okay. That's all. Thank you. Bye.